Hi Vogue, this is Vriddhi Patwa and I'm going to take you through my everyday hair care, makeup and skincare routine. Today I had to film a video and my skin decided to break out aaj only, okay? Usually I don't break out, but today because I had to film a video, I have got one pimple here and my skin is breaking out. So when my skin is looking extra and super gross, I like to do my skincare routine. The first thing that we're going to do is apply a face wash on our face. Now we are going to dab all the water. Always dab it. Don't ever rub it on your skin. Always dab. Also, I would suggest wear a hairband while washing your hair. Otherwise, वो गीले हो जाएंगे और फिर वो मेरे ऐसे सलमान खान from तेरे नाम जैसे लगेंगे. Now grab a hair tie, put the hair back, and now we are going to apply a face mask on our face. Okay, so I love watching these Vogue videos where all these girls do their makeup and their skincare, and actually में तो मुझे Vogue कभी invite करेगा नहीं इस जन्म में ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए. तो what, मैं खुद ही कर रही हूँ. Why not? अगर आप खुद भी कर सकते हो तो you should do it, right? Okay, I'm not showing the products because I'm not a model and half I've paid for these products and I don't want to give them a free brand. जब मैं सिर्फ मास्क तब लगाती हूँ जब मुझे पिंपल आता है, because you know what, उससे पहले मैं अपनी स्किन को बहुत for granted लेती हूँ कि हाँ अच्छी रहेगी blah blah blah, but when I get a pimple फिर मेरी आँख खुलती है and I'm like oh my god I need to do it. तो ऐसा ही होता है, when you have something you don't care about it, but जब वो चीज़ चली जाती है then you start caring about it. Okay, so I've removed the mask and if you're wondering what are all these black spots on my face, it is those sparkly things that are in that mask. It's okay, it goes away with my makeup, so I don't care. Now, what I do is I take this little bit of scrub and I apply it on my lip, It's very yummy. It feels very eatable. Very sugary. Do this lip scrub thingy महीने में एक बार, and आज क्योंकि यार मैं Vogue inspired video बना रही हूँ, so I had to be a little fancy, I couldn't be garib. And we're going to start my makeup, and the next thing I apply is this glittery spray thingy. It gives a glow to your face. It's a moisturizer cum spray. I don't know what it is, but जो भी है, it's nice and it feels very refreshing. By the way, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं होली खेल के आई. Okay, so next I apply is some clear aloe vera gel. Also, ew, my brows look so gross. यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन लग गया है, मैं पार्लर जा नहीं सकती हूँ, तो यहाँ पे लिटरली जंगल बन रहा है फेस में, and I can't do anything about it. This is a beauty secret video that no one asked for, so I use my lipstick as color corrector. I believe in saving money, and I feel like lipstick is the one product that I cannot live without, because I use lipstick as color corrector, I use lipstick as blush, and I use lipstick as eyeshadow and as lipstick too. The lipstick is the most important makeup product, I feel. Next, we are applying on our face is foundation. Okay, you see, this is So I do my makeup with my hands only. I started doing my makeup by my hands after watching all these Vogue models do it. And this is kind of my dream to always make a video like this, in the washroom, standing. Always blend your foundation or concealer or anything with your ring finger, because वो सबसे कम pressure डालती है अपने face पे, and yeah, it's the best, I feel. And you don't want to get wrinkles abhi se. I am 16, so my face hasn't even completely matured or something. So it's not right for me to compare myself to a model who's 24 or something. And you shouldn't compare yourself to those models anyway, because half of them they are fucking beautiful and everything, but they get Botox, they get eyebrow lift, they get facelifts and everything. So now I just blend those foundation lines, जहाँ पे थोड़ा patchy लग रहा है, by using a brush. Okay, so I don't apply concealer. What I do is I take a little bit of foundation, put it under my eye, and just blend that only, a little bit. Because I don't really get dark circles or anything, so I don't really feel the need to apply. I cannot do makeup that's light, okay? My makeup has to look like I have done makeup. I don't know how to do that. no makeup look. Okay, it just doesn't happen. Not mine. Now I'm applying compact to my face, and बस like मेरा makeup बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है, you know. I just फट do it. Like makeup हो जाता है 10 minutes में. I don't think I'm meant for this makeup video. I'm so sorry if you're finding it boring. Like मुझे इतना boring लग रहा है बनाने में because I don't know what to say in this video. मैं eyeshadow नहीं लगाती हूँ, मुझे कुछ एक eye look create करना आता नहीं है. So what I do is I take this color, any light, you know, baby color, pink color. बस हल्का सा लगा देती हूँ as a base. Then what I do is I take a little bit of pink या dark के साथ कुछ shimmer color. और मैं अपने inner corner में लगा देती हूँ. It's called inner corner only. I don't know. I always believe that you should have these like in जो भी इनको बोलते हैं popping because it really makes an impact on your face. And I apply the same color on this. Okay, I don't do anything for my brows. I just brush them upwards. I don't know what to do with them. मुझे brows करना सीखना पड़ेगा. So if you can teach me, hit me up. Okay, so I use spot liners to do my eyeliner, and I always love to do fox liners. I feel liner is the easiest part of doing your makeup. I'm very good at it, and it's my favorite part. I feel liner लगाते ही ना पूरा face पे impact आ जाता है. It completely changes your game. So always do your liner. I feel. Okay, now we're going to curl our lashes. You know, I find curling my lashes very scary because you know मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि कभी एक दिन मेरा ये आई का स्किन पैड पकड़ा गया ना, हो गया, सब ये सब छूट जाएगा. Now we are going to apply mascara. Mascara doesn't do any effect on my eyes. Now we are going to apply blush. I use lipstick as blush, so we do this. I know I look like a clown right now, but ऐसे ही करते हैं. Okay, please don't judge my choice of brushes because मुझे नहीं पता कौन सा brush किसके लिए use होता है. मैं बस use कर लेती हूँ जो भी मेरे हाथ में आता है. Now we are going to do our lip shades, and I use 2 different lip shades, and one of them is this one that you guys already saw. So. Now my makeup is almost done. I just apply a little bit of highlight on my nose. Okay, so I have applied a little bit of serum, and now we are going to comb our hair, fix our hair. And now I'm going to bring my bangs again. And this is the final look, babies. This is how I do my makeup, and this was my beauty secrets. This was actually a proper beauty secrets video because I actually revealed what I like, how I transform my face, and I am not filled with Botox. That's why it was proper beauty secrets. Okay, and this is the final look, babies.